guys, so for today's video I'm going to be taking you inside my house to show you my fall decor. Now I don't necessarily go all out for fall. I don't put out a whole bunch of orange things or leaves and all that kind of stuff. I decorate very minimally, so I am going to show you what I've done. This is a very highly requested video, so I figured I would do it. Even though there's not a whole lot that I have decorated, I will show you what I have so far. And a formal house tour will be coming soon, I promise. However, this will not include the bedrooms because I don't really decorate the bedrooms for fall, just the kitchen and living room area. Mostly the areas that people normally see, and the bedrooms I just kind of leave alone. So that will be in another house tour, I promise. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little house tour of my fall decor, and let's go ahead and get started. So during the fall, I love for my home to smell like cinnamon and pumpkins, and just like I finished pulling something out of the oven. So this candle is my favorite candle by far. It is by DW Home, and I found it at Home Goods. And don't worry, I never light this candle when the kids are around. This runner is from the Target dollar spot, and then these white pumpkins, those are all from Trader Joe's. And then this gray pumpkin right here, this is from TJ Maxx. I really like this pumpkin. I just thought it was really pretty, and I love the gray accent of it. This fall sweet fall pillow is definitely my favorite. This is what it looks like on the back, and it is from Kirkland's. And then this navy and white striped throw is from IKEA. I think I got my pillow on sale. It was 20% off. It was $20, so it was what, $16 I believe. And then that throw I think was like $15 or something. These pillows are also from IKEA as well. These floral pillows are from Society 6. It's a online store, and then these are from TJ Maxx. So this Be Thankful sign is from TJ Maxx, and it was $5.99 I believe. And then that vase that looks like a galvanized can, it's from IKEA. And then the cotton inside of it is from a local boutique store. And then this lamp is also from the same boutique. This is my hutch. And I've just added like a few fall touches to it. So this sign is from the Target dollar spot, and then these are from the Target dollar spot last year actually. This one is from this year. This is the white ones that they have in their thing right now. This was a wedding gift. It's one of my favorite things that we got for our wedding. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. Some of this stuff I'm not sure where it came from. It was kind of like given to me. That's a Mrs. Meyer's candle in there. I've just got it stacked on some great plates. And then this is from the Target dollar spot. These are the 3 pumpkins that I got from the Target dollar spot, and I just have them on this white plate. And this right here is from IKEA. This is from Tuesday Morning, and the rest I do not know. This candle is also one of my very favorite candles. It's from Bath & Body Works, and it's in the scent Pumpkin Cupcake. pumpkins are the ones from the Target Dollar Spot, and then these pumpkins are from the Target Dollar Spot last year. And then I just have this Bath & Body Works candle sitting on these white plates. And then this is from the Target Dollar Spot right now. So most of this basket is Target Dollar Spot. This is from Hobby Lobby. Most of the time, if they're on sale, you can get them for half off. I believe I ended up paying like $10 for that. And then the runner is from TJ Maxx. I want to say it was like $10 as well. The chargers on the table are from IKEA. The plates are just some gray plates from Target. And then these are from IKEA as well. The light green color really matches the light green on here really well. And then these napkins are from the Target Dollar Spot last year. For this, I just used a simple white plate, and then I have one of the IKEA plants in the middle with the Trader Joe's white pumpkins around it. And this is my letterboard from Target, and then I just have some jars with sugar in them. And fall would not be complete without some Mrs. Meyer's apple cider hand soap. I love their seasonal scents, and apple cider is by far one of my favorites. This morning pumpkin mug is from the Target Dollar Spot, and the mug rack is from World Market. This sign is also from World Market, and the mixer was my husband's grandma's. I just put a bowl on the counter, and it's just got these real pumpkins in them. I found those at our local grocery store for a bag of 4 was like $5, I think. And as you can see, I just kind of set them on our counter. Right here is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just picked up these flowers from Trader Joe's. This is a mum, and then I got this little tin can from our grocery store to put it in, and then the pumpkins are also from our grocery store as well. And I just kind of like set this up all together, but I really like how it turned out. So I may decorate some more out here, but for now I just like this little setup. So that's about it for my fall home decor tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and it gives you a little bit of inspiration on how to decorate your home for fall. So thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy some of these yummy chocolate chip cookies, and I will see you all in my next video.